Hi, I'm Tanya from Entreda, and I'm going to show you how to use the remote desktop on Unify. The remote desktop allows you to securely access your computer from any device anywhere. To access remote desktop, log into your account at unify.entreda.com using your Entreda credentials. From the home page, click on Remote Desktop. Here you will see a list of devices available for Remote Desktop. In order to use Remote Desktop, the device needs to be turned on and have the Entreda Unify applet installed. Find the device you want to connect to and click Connect. If your browser blocks the new window from opening, you will have to allow pop-ups from unify.entreda.com. Once you connect, you will see the login screen for the device you're trying to connect to. Log in with that machine's credentials. If you have any questions, you can contact us at support@entreda.com. You can find us online at www.entreda.com.